is first, remove the top. It literally just pops off. Easy. Great. Locate the connectors. It's going to be these ones right here. These connectors. If you're just getting the basic JB1, you know, you'll run the lines under here or through here. You'll pop over the brake fluid one, and then you'll just have the JB sitting here or here once you plug that in. But because I'm gonna have a JB4, I'm gonna have to run it through another grommet. Let me see if I can find it now. There should be a grommet over here somewhere. See this big grommet over there? I'm gonna have to run it through that big grommet right here by the ABS. Right. Okay, so first you want to go to this clip. You can use your finger or anything else to press on it and take that out. You find the end. First you plug in the harness from the JB. Cool. The harness is in. And you take the existing one. This is the harness one, and you take the existing one and you plug it into there. Alright, next thing you want to do, you want to find that rubber grommet. It was somewhere over here. Now I'm gonna have to pull the carpet away till you find it. See if you could find that rubber grommet anywhere in here. Let's move the camera a little closer. I think we might have found it. This looks like the rubber grommet right here. Man. Yep, that's the rubber grommet. Okay. Alright. We'll try to get a better angle for you guys so y'all can see a little better. Try not to use anything too piercing. I think I might have used the wrong flathead, but try to hit it around the edge. Oh shit. I have to fight it for at least a few minutes, but I got the grommet. I have to push the grommet out a little bit, and now it's coming from the end. See if now, try my best to give you a light. You know, I'm doing this at night. It's one of those things that you really just can't wait to do. Let me see if I could. It's a very tight area, but I got it to come from under. Yeah. All right. Now, once you have the harness connected, I have my JB4 just sitting here and under there. Close everything back. Guys, I want to tell you that the install was a success. It took about 30 minutes. The hardest thing to me was just to push the grommet out because I didn't want to pierce anything. And it's very hard to just try to fix your hand between the ABS brake lines, and it's very tight by the handbrake. But I must say, after getting everything up and running, the Bluetooth and everything, get it with Bluetooth. It just makes sense. Unless you're running JB1, get it with Bluetooth. Bluetooth is so cool. You could just change it on the go, screw plugging it in. It's $140, but just do it. I went up to stage 5 or level 5, whatever, map 5, and it was really cool.